the Digital Code Reporter software is SoniClear. Before installing the software, SoniClear may create a computer system environment to be used for running the software on. This video will show what that environment is in case you wish to switch to your manufacturer's recommended standard environment for another type of use, and then back to the SoniClear's recommended environment for running SoniClear properly for digital code reporting. So let's see what will be changed from your standard environment to run SoniClear correctly as it is recommended. These are the chapters that will be covered and can be set mainly in the control panel. Let's start with setting up the power management environment for running SoniClear properly and as recommended. In the control panel, select Power Management, and here you may see that I have already set up a SoniClear plan, but at first you do not have it. So let's create one by going to the Create a Power Plan on the left side navigation pane and name it SoniClear. Click Next. And then you can define how that plan should be running. Select Never for all situations, plugged in and on battery mode for turning off the display and sleep mode. Select Never for all and click Save Changes. Let's set up the device or the computer. Thus, go to the Device Manager in the control panel. Go all the way down to the Universal Serial Bus Controllers or USB controllers and select the USB host controller. This is the host. Right click, select Properties and go to the Power Management and uncheck the allowing to turn off the device for saving power, because we have already set this up in the Power Management to Never, and that is what we want to use for SoniClear as advised. And then select the USB root hub, which is an embedded hub in the host controller. Right click, select Properties and go to the Power Management and do the same as before. Uncheck the allowing to turn off the device for saving power. And also with the root device router in the Power Management, uncheck the allowing to turn off the device for saving power. And then set up the sound in the control panel. So in the playback tab, set the speaker of the computer to default. So go to the Set as Default on the bottom of the window. And then move to the Recording tab and set the microphone array to default. So click on the Set as Default at the bottom of the window. And also enable the internal stereo mixer. Click on it and then right click, and on top you will see Enable unless it is already enabled. And next move to the Communications tab and set it to Do Nothing when the Windows detect communications in order to avoid interference with SoniClear's own detection. So select Do Nothing. And then click on the Sounds tab and set the sound scheme to No Sound, because SoniClear will manage it. And last, let's make sure that the earlier set default sound devices stayed on put. So go to Settings, System, Sound, and check that the default output sound should be on the speaker and the input sound is the Microsoft array. And that's all. Thank you for your interest. Bye now.